Rolling over your 401k into an IRA can save you a significant amount of money on fees, but most people overlook how much of a difference it can make. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and maximizing your retirement savings, this simple move could be the game changer you're looking for. By the end of this video, you'll understand why making this shift is a smart decision for anyone looking to keep more of their hard-earned money. Before we dive in, if you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, be sure to check out the first link in the description below. It's a free guide that will show you how to diversify your retirement savings with one of the most secure investment vehicles out there, perfect for retirees who want to make sure their future is financially sound. Now let's break it down. When you leave your money in a 401k, you're often stuck paying higher fees. Most 401k plans have management fees, administrative costs, and additional investment fees that can really add up over time. In fact, these fees can eat into your returns and lower the amount of money you have when you retire. When you roll over your 401k into an IRA, you gain more control over your investments, and you can significantly reduce these fees. In many cases, IRAs offer lower cost investment options that are just as good or better than those available in your 401k. One of the main reasons 401k fees are so high is because they're often bundled together. The more features and investment options a 401k plan offers, the more administrative costs there tend to be. With an IRA, you have more flexibility to choose exactly what you want, and many IRAs offer much lower annual fees for the same or better quality investments. This can lead to more money in your pocket over the long term. Another key point is that you can roll your 401k into a self-directed IRA. This means you can take control of your own investments and choose where your money goes, whether it's stocks, bonds, or something safer like precious metals. If you're serious about securing your wealth, especially in today's volatile markets, having control over your assets is crucial. That's why many retirees are choosing to roll over their 401k to a gold IRA. Gold IRAs, for example, give you the ability to protect your retirement savings with physical gold, a time-tested asset that has maintained its value for centuries. Gold can act as a hedge against inflation, stock market crashes, and even the devaluation of the dollar. If you're concerned about the rising cost of living or the uncertain future of the economy, this might be the perfect solution. And the best part? Gold IRAs typically offer lower management fees than traditional retirement accounts, so you're saving both on fees and gaining security for your future. It's important to note that while rolling over your 401k into an IRA can save you money on fees, it's also important to understand the tax implications. When done properly, a rollover doesn't trigger any taxes as long as it's a direct rollover. This means you won't face penalties or tax bills for moving your money from one account to the other. The key is to do it correctly and avoid any mistakes that could lead to unnecessary costs. So, how can you get started? If you're ready to take control of your retirement savings, I highly recommend reaching out to a trusted advisor who specializes in IRAs and retirement planning. Whether you're looking to roll over a 401k into an IRA or explore options like gold IRAs to protect your wealth, it's essential to work with someone who understands the process and can guide you through it. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks and want to make sure your hard-earned money is working for you, be sure to grab that free guide in the description below. It's packed with essential insights for retirees looking to make the best decisions for their future. To wrap up, rolling over your 401k into an IRA can save you big on fees and provide you with greater control over your investments. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, bonds, or precious metals like gold, the right IRA can help you build a more secure retirement. If you have over 100k in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, this is the perfect move for you. Click the first link below to get your free gold IRA guide and take the first step toward protecting your wealth today. Don't wait. Make sure your retirement savings are working as hard as you did to earn them.